Alright guys, it's officially four-link time. So I got out, you can see in this pocket back here, I've got out this side and this side. I haven't gotten the bottoms out yet, but kind of wanted to do the top separate from the bottom. So I've got the tops made up inside. I'll show you those guys. And this is what I have made up so far. I have these guys about halfway out on each side. I got my center to center mark beforehand, obviously, because, well, you don't want to mess this up. I mean, even if it's not that expensive of parts I'm putting in, but, you know, get my measurement, took my distance between, cut up some 120 wall tubing, and I mean, it looks kind of shitty, but tried grinding down that edge, kind of a beveled edge with it, to make welding in here just a little bit easier. And then I got some grade 8s, which, I mean, they're good enough for now. I mean, I talked to someone over the weekend, they said, yeah, grade 8s aren't great, but hey, you know what? I'm working with what I got. But this is it so far. I'm gonna get these welded up, put in the car, and I'm gonna take out the bottoms. We'll be getting places. It looks like Rob got these all welded up for me. Looking pretty slick. Looking pretty slick. I think I just gotta paint them up real quick, like, and I don't know, body color, the frame color, I don't know what to go with, but them are about done. Since the other ones are out and pretty much ready to get cleaned up, I guess I'll be taking these guys out right there. Right there and right there. Get them out, do the same thing, build them up, and have Rob weld them for me. Paint them maybe, I don't know, this color, or just paint them black so they kind of hide in with the rear end. I don't really know yet. See what happens. Sweet, here they are, all four. So I got the lowers, which are the longer ones. I got these uppers, those shorter ones. They look real pretty like, but now I have an issue. What color does a guy paint these things? Dang. And we're back. So I got my two short guys all made up, all painted. I got one of the long guys made up and painted. I'm waiting on the other guy to finish, but I figured I could start getting these guys put back in here. You know, the bottom actually surprisingly came out relatively easy, so I'm hoping everything will locate relatively easy too. Oh, guys, I have to go buy bolts. Damn it. Nope. Guess I'll get as far as I can and go buy bolts. But get it in, see what it looks like, see how this locates again. Well, it's sort of in. The bottoms are in. The top's got to wait because I don't know how to buy bolts, it turns out. Turns out this hole is much smaller than I thought it was going to be. I've got 9/16, and that is, I don't know, that's a 1/2 inch hole, maybe 3/8 hole. But bottoms are in, helping locate the rear end. I don't know, I guess maybe tomorrow a guy picks up some more hardware and locates the top. And then an issue I found, got some slop in there I gotta fill. So I guess tomorrow is hardware day, and then we can be done and call it a win. Put the sway bar back in too. But I guess that's it for today until tomorrow, and the guy gets hardware. There it is. So the guy went and got himself a drill bit, drilled out these holes. They were 3/8, drilled them up to 5/8. Got some nice new grade 8 hardware in there. So now the tops and the bottom of the 4-link is done. You know, still some cleaning up to do. Still got to shim them so they're nice and tight, but you know what? In my book, this is a win. Yeah, I got to put the sway bar back on. You know what? Calling it done, you know, because a couple of shims ain't nothing. Sway bar, I ain't feeling it today, to tell you the truth. So, done. Stay tuned for, I guess, whatever's next to come when I can get around to it. But that's the end of this one. Catch you guys on the next video.